Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a goal setting worksheet with Notion, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Notion application or website. Create a new page by clicking on the plus new page option. Title your page Goal Setting Worksheet. Choose a blank page layout for convenience. Add a cover image and icon if you'd like to personalize it. Start by creating a table to organize your goals. Click on the table block option from the menu. Label the first column goal. Set the type for this column to text. Add a second column labeled category. Change the type for this column to select for easy categorization. Include categories like personal, professional, and health. Create a third column titled Deadline. Set the type for this column to Date. Next, add a column for Progress. Label it Progress and set the type to Number. You can now create a Notes column for additional details. Label this column Notes and set the type to Text. Start adding your specific goals to the table. Fill in each column with relevant information for each goal. Make sure to assign deadlines that are realistic and attainable. Update the progress column regularly as you work towards your goals. Use the Notes column to jot down any thoughts or adjustments. Consider color-coding different categories for better visualization. You can do this by selecting the category in the category column. To enhance your worksheet, create a summary section at the top. In this section, include your overall goals and key motivators. Add a checklist for daily or weekly tasks related to your goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.